You said 38 degrees in Houston? That's cold. Now, before this video begins, I do appreciate whoever watches this. Thank you. Now, this is just me documenting myself working. I do want to say thank you to Mr. Parker and Mr. Secundo for always being a great help when needed. And thank you for UTI for having open shop. Sadly, open shop isn't a thing anymore. So I was hoping to get more of these type of videos, but it just won't happen. Hold on, I just gotta write down some stuff. I'm gonna pause it real quick. Alright, so I'm just gonna open up the cap, try to get let this cool down a little bit, and I'm gonna open up the filter, get that cleaned up, and then I'm gonna drain it so that way everything is I don't most people just drain it first and then do that stuff, but I'd rather just have it open already. And I just need a key for this toolbox. Yeah, this is locked. Hold on, the key might be here already. It is. Alright. That's what I mean, though. I'm not so slow. Here it is. Alright, so always go through your toolbox just to make sure, just check see if anything's missing. Now I'm at school, so I'm just gonna do this simply because I'm at school. If it was my personal one, I don't know if I would do it. I probably would sometime, maybe not all the time. But it seems that something here is missing, so I'm just gonna put that down. I can't lift this up. I don't know what I'm supposed to be. This is 17, and it's a 19, so I'm guessing. Alright, is this a 19? Yeah, the 18 is missing. Unless it's in here, I don't see it. 18's missing. Is that the 3/8? It's a deep socket, I know that. It's a 3/8 still. Try to always use that if you can. You don't scratch it. Ball peen pen is there. Half by lab book, that's all there is good. Metric, that's all there. that is done for the most part. So now I'm gonna go back into there, see if that's cooled down, because the oil filter was pretty hot. Let me see the tool that I would use though to pull that off. So let me just check real quick. Alrighty, so it is in here. So I have that. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm actually gonna lower it just a little bit. Going down. Going up. Clear. Now I do want to say it did take longer than I expected it to, only because when I use tools, especially if it's not my tools, I have a habit. It's not a bad habit. It's honestly, I think it's a good habit, but I have a habit of not like going full force with stuff. So like I baby it, and then it's like, oh, it's not working or it's going the wrong way. So at first I thought I was turning the wrong way, but I just wasn't putting enough power into it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But that's just something I do for like everything. Now, obviously, being an automotive technician, the job is a messy job. Me personally, because I was working on my personal vehicle and because I had the luxury to do so, I'm always trying to be clean. So, but this is also just good practice, especially when you're working in the dealership. Alright, so I did apply the Liquid Moly Pro line. Shout out to the guys over at Liquid Moly. Been talking with them, but I did apply this prior to bringing the car in. So if you want to use this prior to the oil change, maybe I want to say same day. Most like definitely right before, but definitely use it same day before you do your oil change, and then at temperature, apply it at temperature, and then let it sit in there while it's running. So I did that already. Also, I would have to say that thing works wonders. First time ever using it. Now this was a couple months ago, but first time ever using it, and everything came out very fluid, not clumpy at all. Nothing was wrong. It just came out really smooth. Pull this off. I'm actually gonna get this set up. I'm just gonna pull this out, see what we have in here. So this is the OEM oil filter. So this is the main filter that they have. Let's see. I'm trying to take the box apart. Alright, so you should always have, I mean, you guys probably know by now, you should always have a filter that comes with it, because you never want to, or not the filter, obviously you're going to have a filter, you always want to have the O-ring that comes with it. You never want to use the same one. You're going to have these here for the drain plugs, and this smaller one's going to be for the P-step where the filter goes to. So yeah, just want to double check, make sure. I also do have two anti-friction, so I'll mix it in with the oil. I use Mobile One. Mobile One just works for me, and it is what it is. I'm just gonna pull this out. See how it's
It's done. It's a different BMW.
Yeah. It's mine. It's the one that's paid off.
It's the SUV.
Mine. The one that's not. That's right. It's that third one here. Alright. And you said it's for your canister, right? Not very. So you can get pretty good.
Not inside there, on the outside of the engine. Clean the outside off. Once you're done everything, get brake clean and spray the outside off. What are you doing? Who's spraying the bell off?
Yeah, because I'm at school, so I can change these gloves. I don't want to. I mean, I should put up a can for but try to just be aware that you're gonna get messy. So it is what it is. Now we get stuff. This thing. I'm going with this. This goes into drawer 3, so I'm throwing there now. That way I don't lose track of it. And while the oil's draining, I'm just gonna rotate my front wheels. Those been sitting there for a while. The back one just got put on, so I don't need to do that yet. Freeze it up now. This can stay on because it doesn't need to be used anywhere else. keys. Yes, I do. All right. For the drain plug. Perfect. That should be. Alright, so we're using this one right here. This is 19. Because I don't have an 18. 18 is 17. Alright, 17 is way better. We'll take the 17. I don't even know if you guys are seeing that. Yeah, it's like draining right there. So yeah, that's what that is. It's a draining. Okay, so for some reason, I guess my wheels were stuck because my lugs were just like, I guess you could say seized. So I ended up having to put oil on them, but that wasn't when I did this. That was at a later date just to get them off. So I was trying to do, I was trying to rotate my tires, but that just didn't happen that day. All right, so now I do want to reiterate. So this is me working in school. I don't know where all the tools are, and then like I said, I was planning on doing the a rotation, but I guess my thing was locked up. So that's why some of the videos kind of messed up because I did cut a lot out. So that's actually a good thing because it's way shorter than it would have been. And then also just always remember to torque. Everything has a torque spec. So yeah, pretty much. But yeah, this is just like me recording myself and trying to, something so I could look back on and be like, okay, this is what I did right, this is what I did wrong. So. All right, so I did something wrong. Not that I did something wrong. I didn't do something completely right. So I guess there's a torque spec for the drain plug. So I'm just gonna double check that, or I'm gonna check that because I didn't check it at first. So yeah, this wasn't even budging with a breaker bar. A couple of people came over and it did not want to move. So yeah, we just said let's wrap it up and figure it out, do it later. So that's pretty much what happened. Might be cooked, chat. I ain't gonna lie, I might be cooked. All right, so this is what I'm using. I got 2 1-quarts, got 1 5-quart. Like I said, I got this right here. My filter. Huh? Your hose? Yeah, I have it. Yeah, take it. I'll end up coming back to get it, but I don't need it right now.
Right here. I didn't want to connect mine back up.
Oh, okay. No, you're fine. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in, and then halfway I'm just gonna throw the anti-friction into here, and then you mix it up. This does look really nasty though, so it's gonna make the oil look black already, even though it's supposed to look like that when we're done with it. But it is what it is. Oh no. If I can get it off. Oil change stickers, so I can like write it on top.
When you're talking across the way to old people, you better
Oh, you said
yell.
still can't hear you. Oh,
Stop yelling your way.
you guys have oil change stickers, so I can like write it on
Oil change stickers.
Yes, the popper. Ooh, an hour. Damn. 5:30. That's really torquey. Just for me to torque it. Get that done. That's it.